Hello everybody, welcome to Paleo Greenberg here. I hope everybody is doing awesome. I hope you are happy, you're healthy, you have plenty of toilet paper and all the food you can want. So this video here is going to be, I ordered some stone to put into the kit for you, Kenton. So you'll have some nice good stone to work. I ordered from a particular company that is very well known for having very clean and high graded spalls, so you're not going to have a lot of cortex. Probably won't have any cortex really. And you know, the angles on the spalls, you'll have some platforms, so I'm really excited about that. And I've ordered quite a few times from this particular company and wanted to show you this monster spall that they sent me. So the box that I got is supposed to be anywhere between 3 and 6 inch spalls. So, you know, that's palm size, which is actually why I ordered it. And I kind of wish that there were more of the palm size spalls for you, Kenton, but I think they were super generous to me, and because I order all the time, gave me some giant, enormous pieces of rock, like this one right here. So this is a beauty. I can't wait to do something with this. And I just have the gloves on because, you know, I just ordered this box and I don't know what's in there. I'm just trying to be as safe as I can. But I wanted to show you a few of the rocks that I'm going to send you. Right? And these will all be wrapped up in here. So first piece, beautiful piece of mahogany obsidian, and the reason that I like this, maybe I'll try and zoom in a little bit, is because it has, you know, some good platforms, some good angles where you'll make those platforms, and we'll talk about that, you know, in some videos to come. But anytime you have a ridge that you can follow, that's really good. This low spot here, even though it needs to be cleaned up, we'll drive across that ridge, thin down. So I'm trying to send you some stones that will be relatively user-friendly for you. I want you to have fun with this. Next stone again, pretty good, almost palm sized, but has some good low spots, and you know, some places that you will need to trim up in order to make them good platforms. But some ridges, this spot here, even though it looks super low, you can drive a flake across that ridge that direction and set yourself up with another platform. So we'll talk about that as well. Just wanted to get a couple of pieces out there to you that you'll be able to do something with. This is a nice one right here. It doesn't have a lot of the dark colors to it, but it's got some really nice ridges. Come across that direction and that direction, over here. All you need to do is trim those edges down a little bit to create that low spot on the other side, which again, those are videos to come. And boy, this is a beautiful piece. Absolutely beautiful. And even just the flakes that you get from trimming these pieces down, you'll be able to make points out of those flakes with your pressure flaker. And there's one more here. And I don't know, I might throw in a little something extra, a little surprise, but this one here is a little bit more palm sized. And again, it has some low spots, some ridges that you can follow. That's what we're going to make our platforms out of. The lighting down here is not that great today. It's rainy outside. I wasn't able to do anything outside. I apologize. So you're stuck with my dirty basement as the background. There's a thick edge right there where there's also a low spot. You can drive a flake down that ridge. And we will do that. So these are the pieces that I'm going to send with you in your kit. Everything that was in my kit that I sent you has been, self-quarantined in my house for, several weeks. But this stone is something that I just received. So if you feel the need to, keep that box out for a few days, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, I think is what they're saying, then, completely understandable. But in the meantime, I'm going to be making a bunch of really cool projects, and I thank you for joining me with this, and I hope that this helps a little bit. Oh, there's a couple more things too. What else is there? Hold on a second, I'll be right back. So, I guess they're right here. So these are a couple of pressure flakers that I'm also going to include. These are disposable pressure flakers. They have a copper nail in them. They're usually a little bit longer than this. I don't know why they're so short. But anyway, they'll do just fine if you want to get the kids involved. Get, the kids or friends or family, whatever, involved in napping. Super, super cool. And I am going to also, and actually I'm going to make it my next video, is I'm going to tell you about the pressure blanks that I'm going to send. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this, Kenton. This is going to be out in the mail to you very, very soon. Probably tomorrow or the next day. And I'll try and make enough videos to where I can kind of do some filler time talking about different things while you're waiting for your package to arrive. Hope you're safe, hope you're happy, and thanks for sharing everything that you do. Greenbird out.